Hi, this is Anna with WTI. I'm here to tell you one of my favorite blushes. It's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Blush. This blush has a beautiful radiant finish. It's almost like a flush of radiance. It's actually beautiful on mature skin, just as it would be on younger skin. It just gives you that glow, and it's depending on how much you use, it's really a natural glow, which is beautiful. And the best part, it is buildable. So if you want to go all out and you know, have that beautiful flush look, then by all means, you can just build it up. It's very easily done. You can apply it with a brush. You can apply it with a sponge. It's really versatile. And the best part is that it's cream, so it doesn't leave your skin with a chalky finish. It is literally a luminous, glowy, beautiful finish. So if you're like me and you love that beautiful glow, almost like a sun-kissed glow, this is my go-to, the e.l.f. Halo Glow Blush. And the one that I am using, the color is called Magic Hour. It is truly a beautiful, radiant, just enough color to get you through the day. It is my go-to. And that's my point of view.